Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Cipla Limited. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can see these are hiring for junior team member QA and location is Bangalore and experience is 2 years of experience candidates can apply to this position. Coming to the education and qualification, Bpharma BSc graduates can apply to this position. Next, job purpose. Review the compliance level of the site of deficiency response. And next, accountabilities. Review upkeep and issue regulated market technical agreements at site for execution of batches as per customer requirement. And next, coordinate with the audits and site teams for regulator and customer inspection and audit at the site to meet regulator expectations and require GMP approvals. Next, prepare final draft of compliance to audit observation and check whether it is lined with CGMP requirements to avoid regulator actions and constitutional improvements. Next, skills, communication skills, clarity of thought, comprehensions and likely potential of growth, job product technical knowledge, pharma domain knowledge, and safety awareness and relevant of previous experience, comprehension, and analytical and problem solving abilities. So anyone can apply for this job opportunity. If you are interested, you can apply now by clicking on the link near. We will leave the link in the description box, my dear friends. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.